Hello everyone, welcome back to my unboxing videos. I see that a lot now. I have no underline, so please forgive me for that. Anyway, today we are going to unbox I don't think it is a mechanical keyboard. It's a mechanical synth. I don't know whether it is actually a mechanical keyboard or not. But anyway, this is a Powerplay E-Blue. Right, so this is one of the budget gaming keyboards that I can find here in New Zealand in PB Tech. Of course, there are other options as well, but on the PB Tech website, I see a lot of good reviews about this product. For the price, it's a good value. I haven't used it yet, so I don't really know what it feels like, but well, it based on the reviews, really good reviews, I think it will be good. So this is it's what it says, that it got of course your RGB backlight, and then it's a 104 full size keys, conflict-free design. Yeah, not much all these things here. Comfort control, anti-ghosting capability, light memory function. Don't know what all these things are, but well, it's just a really basic entry-level keyboard for gamers. And I don't do much gaming. I just need something for me to replace to actually an alternative to my laptop keyboard, because I've been using it for work and I type a lot, and I made a lot of mistakes and typos when I use the laptop keyboard. The key trouble is not great. A lot of time when I try to copy and paste, the keyboard over there just misses my copy, and I paste it, and then I paste the wrong thing and have to redo it. This is quite annoying. So that's why I decided to get myself a proper keyboard. Hopefully that will help with my workflow and a bit of gaming. So I do like gaming, but for me it's not my priority. So there you go. Let's open this thing. Right, for every unboxing event, you will need a pair of scissors. Very important. I always forget this, but yeah, always get yourself a pair of scissors whatever you unbox. You can save your time. Alright, so this is very nice. Quite simple, but I think it's quite good packaging. Like for budget level keyboard, I don't see they would have to invest a lot in the packaging, but they did pretty well here. Got the whole keyboard cover, and then got the foams here to protect it from any damage. So I think the packaging is acceptable. Now take it out and see. So we got the keyboard, of course, and then we got a quick manual. So it just shows you the specs in quick instruction what's involved in the keyboard. Alright, let's see. It looks pretty nice. Quite neat right here. So I can see that oh wow, it feels nice. It feels very nice. So you can see it's very sturdy. It's very sturdy for I think $49. I'll tell you in the description how much I got it for. I think it's very high quality. It's quite heavy, it's not light at all. It feels really sturdy. So, what you can do. Oh, I'm just having an orgasm right now. God. Boy. And I've been putting up with a laptop keyboard. Oh, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Oh. I'm really happy. I'm so happy right now. I'm crying, really. Like, literally, I'm crying. Wow, feels so nice. I think that for a bit louder, to be honest. So I'm quite afraid that if we work at night, it may be a bit noisy. Yeah, but it's nice. For the price, for it is $49. I think it is a very good keyboard. And it's not flimsy at all. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Alright, I'll just do a close-up for you guys to see what it looks like close-up, and then I'll do a before and after setup as well, and you can judge to see whether it looks good or not, and I'm curious as well. But anyway, without further ado, let's do this. So yes, I actually really like the keyboard. It's great, very high quality to be honest. I was in doubt at first because the price is actually really low. It's only what, $49, 49 New Zealand dollars, and for what it is, it's solid, it's heavy, and the feels of the keyboards are, the feels of the keys are actually quite very nice to be honest. The sound is awesome. It makes me feel. It just gives me a much better typing experience compared to what I got with the laptop. Not to say laptop is bad, but look, it is just not. Don't mention it. You know, the experience with this keyboard is actually really awesome. So for the price, I was very skeptical. But look, if you are in a short budget and would like to have something nice, and you know, got RGB, got everything built in, enough for you for gaming or even just for office work, this is an awesome keyboard. I can't complain about it. I don't know how long it's gonna last in terms of the keys quality, but if it, you know, if it fails within a couple of months, I'll let you know. But for now, it feels awesome. I'm a light typer in the sense that I don't bang onto my keys very violently, but you know, if I type it very normal, there's no pressure and normal speed, so I think it may last me for a while, but you never know. You just never know. So if it fails, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I would totally recommend this one to anyone who has a short budget and just want a simple keyboard to serve a purpose. Want something with RGB or backlit keyboards to work at night time or play at night time. This is a total, I think it's a great buy. So no complaint from me, and actually I just think that it's great because for the price it's awesome. So there you go, that's my thought, and if you find it useful, comment below, and if you've used this model before, do comment below as well and let other people know that, you know, whether it's good or it's bad, or what you think of it compared to other keyboards, if you've ever used other keyboards. And yeah, just to, you know, just to let other people know of your opinion, so they know what to look out for. And that's the whole reason why I created this video, just to show people what it looks like inside, and also just to give my first impression of it. In the long run, I don't know, but for now it's great, it's awesome. So yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.